it's me, Mika, aka Monroe XO here, and I am back with another hair video. I feel like I haven't done one talking about my hair, I don't know, in months. I've done my reviews, I've done all that other stuff, clothing hauls, try on hauls, but I just haven't talked about my hair lately, and I feel like, you know, it needs to be addressed. For those of y'all that don't know, I am Texlax, and if you don't know what that means, I'll put that on the screen somewhere, you know. I have chemically altered my hair at the roots, and it has definitely grown a lot. Ooh. Yeah, it's definitely grown. I think I kind of need a haircut, but I just want to discuss with you if you're thinking about getting a Texlax, all my pros and all my cons. So let's go ahead and get into that. As usual, if you guys are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. And if you like hair videos, let me know by, you know, thumbsing up this video. Go ahead and click that like button. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, I don't know, I feel like, should I give you the bad news first and then the good news, or whatever? Let's go ahead and start off on a positive note. Let's start with a pro. I feel like with a Texlax, instead of a relaxer, you're still able to maintain the thickness that you would like. Your hair isn't like flat and just thin, I want to say. It's nice and big and full, so you get to play with both textures. I don't really straighten my hair. I don't know. I haven't straightened my hair in over a year, so I can't tell you what it'll look like straightened because I leave that heat alone. Like, can't be messing with that heat. I feel like I still get to keep the thickness of my hair without sacrificing it. So the first con is consistency. I feel like I have different curl patterns all over. I know in the back where I left it in too long, you know, it's a little bit straighter back here, but only in this corner. But everywhere else, I kind of have a little bit of consistency. But now it has been almost over a year since I've last Texlax. So the roots are very thick as compared to like the rest of it. I know it's time for a new one. I don't know if I'm gonna do it yet. I even, you know, played with the thought of using a relaxer last night just because I was so fed up with, I don't know. I feel like I just wear the same style over and over. Maybe I should watch some more YouTube videos and see different styles of how people do their hair, because you know that relaxer was calling my name the other day. So another pro is that it's so much easier to retain length. I think that if I didn't Texlax my hair, it would be very shrunken. It doesn't shrink as much as it used to. It gives me more volume, and I love that it grows down instead of out. I mean, like I said, I haven't done the Texlax in over a year, so this is definitely poofy, but it still grows, you know, in a nice little pattern. What is that? Is that my bobby pin? And I know that shrinkage is a big thing for natural girls, so if you want to work on that shrinkage, I'm not telling you to Texlax, but I'm just saying that it definitely helps with it. So another con is fairy knots. I thought by Texlaxing my hair, I'd be able to escape them bad boys, but I'm not able to. I have loads of them all over, and I think that's another reason why I really don't want to straighten my hair. It's because I'm scared that I'll have little knots all at the end of straightened hair, which probably won't look good. I do need to do a trim. I think I'm going to follow Natural 85's how she trims her ends and do it like that, because I definitely need to get rid of them. Do you guys have any tips for getting rid of fairy knots? Let me know below in the comments, because a girl is struggling. Another thing I love about having Texlax hair is it's so much easier to detangle. I cannot stress that enough. When I didn't have Texlax hair, getting to the root, girl, full struggle, full-blown struggle. Back in the day when I was fully natural, I used to do the pre-poo when you put in the conditioner first, and then you don't even have to do that now. In the shower, put some conditioner on, 3 minutes tops, and my hair is fully detangled. It's so much easier to manage. I know that is kind of like a cop-out, but at the end of the day, it is what it is. If I want to quickly style my hair and go, it's just made it so much easier for me to maintain. Now that I've reached the 6-month mark, this isn't really a con because I can definitely tell where my new growth is and stops. But before, I was kind of struggling with the idea of should I Texlax, should I not, because I didn't know where the new growth stopped and the looser pattern began. But now it's so much easier to tell. But that was a con at first, and I think I'm gonna do them maybe twice a year, maybe once a year. You don't have to do them that often. I think that once your new growth starts to grow out a lot, or maybe get out of control for you That makes sense. Then you can go ahead and use a Texlaxer, but it's not something that's necessary to do every, what is it, 8 to 12 for a relaxer, I think. I can't remember, it's been so long. And then my final pro about being Texlax is that my styles last so long. Before I was doing my hair maybe every 2 or 3 days, and now I can do it once a week and it just lasts. Put it up in a pineapple at night to sleep and go about my business. It's just so much easier to handle. I know there's probably gonna be natural Nazis in my comments. That's fine. You're more than welcome to leave your comments and opinions. But for me, this is what works for me and this is what's easy for me. And I just want to give insight to people who may be considering taking that journey to Texlax. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. If you have any questions, let me know down. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section. I'll make sure to answer them. Always, always, always remember to spread love, inspire others, and strive for greatness. Thanks for watching, y'all.